Good afternoon, this is Andy from Vehicle Fit. This is a demonstration of what we've done to this lovely new custom 2024. So we've done a fair bit to this. We've done StarLine S9 with front proximity, rear enhanced shock sensor from pin to drive. We've done dual physical blocking. So proximity works on this. It's got an internal sensor in the cab, so when you approach the vehicle, when you get to about a foot away from the vehicle, you will get an alert on the alarm sounder on the customer's phone and also on the pager, and that works on both sides. So just having some PP paint protection work here done. So both sides will pick up movement around the front of the cab. Might need tweaking. That should be okay. We've also done enhanced load protection on the barn door, so light impact. I have turned down the siren whilst I'm testing, so it is a bit louder than this, but any attack to the side doors will give you a warn away. It'll also go full trigger if it's a harder impact. There's a louder impact, the pager goes off and the horn honk will go off as well. Again, I've just turned this off simply because I'm in an industrial area and it's right outside someone's shop. So it has got a horn honk wired in. So when you disarm the system, you can't start the vehicle. So when you get in the vehicle and turn the ignition on, you'll hear the ignition, hear that beeping at you. That's telling you that the system, although it's disarmed the alarm, it hasn't disarmed the immobiliser. So the vehicle won't start, it won't run. So to put the pin code in, we can use these cruise control buttons on the left hand side of the steering wheel. So I won't show you what the pin code is, but when the pin code goes in, you will see the pager LED extinguish. You'll hear two more beeps and then you're good to go. This is where we put the pager LED. The customer wanted it somewhere quite discreet. StarLine writing is obviously horizontal. The customer is very particular about this installation, so it's all we put an extra LED in the binnacle there, just again very discreet. It's not a big sort of 5mm LED, it's a very discreet LED, but at night that is very effective. So I'll show you what that looks like when you're on the system. That'll shine down on the dash and create a nice effect, and also the pager antenna does flash blue as well. You can see that externally as well. So this is the proximity picking me up as well. So we've also fitted a shock sensor in the rear, dual zone. We've done a deadlock on the high position on the barn door, which is up here. It's just another form of defence, and that's a high position hook lock fitted on the near side, offside door, and that fires into a bracket on the near side door. So what I've also done is a couple of scripts to pick up any attempted break-in. So these door handles are operated by micro switches. You can hear that. So what I've done is I've wired into the micro switches. We've wired into the rear door to pick up rear door movement. So what happens is, when you arm the system, when the tag is out of range, any attack on the van on that door handle, any attempted try, will set off a couple of proximity scripts. It'll set off another horn honk script, and then it will also fire into main alarm if it's continued to be attacked when the tag is absent. So I'm going to remove the battery from the tag now, and I'll show you what happens. So the battery is out the tag now, so I'm going to arm the system and just show you what happens. So arm the alarm, proximity sensors on. So what we need to do is put these keys out of range, because the Ford Custom is keyless. It's got antennas all around the back of the van, the middle of the van, the front of the van, to detect this Ford key. So if I try the handle when the Ford key is in my pocket, it's going to authorise it, pre-authorise it. The alarm will go into authorisation mode. We don't want that. What we want to do is simulate no tag, no key. So one press just gives you a couple of beeps. A couple more attempts gives you the horn. Third attempt puts it into main alarm mode. And that gives you an alert to your pager. This is a quick demonstration of the rear pager that I've put in for you. Sorry, the rear shock sensor. So that's not hard at all, and that's picked up nice and early. And that's telling me additional sensor. And this will pick up quite nice on the side door as well. So there you go, so a little impact on the side door. That picks up nice. It'll work on the near side door as well. Might be a bit sensitive, but you can turn it down. So just a very light tap on the side door, and that picks up additional zone on the page. Sorry, I didn't do a closing scene because whilst I was recording a closing scene, a phone call came in on my phone and ditched the video. So thanks for watching. Andy from Vehicle Fit. That's a new custom 2024 lovely van. Done a lot of work on this, and any inquiries call 07900 605040 or StarLine at vehiclefit.co.uk. Thanks again.